Hey, this will be a video chart on SAEI. What an absolute monster this thing has been. Video won't be too long. I just want to quickly update it. And there's not too much to report now that the chart is just in blue sky territory. But there are some supports and so forth that needs to be updated. But overall, just another huge day. I think the last time I did it was on this day here where it had broken out. You can see 2 days of consolidation, sideways action, and then today, booyah once again. So just a good example from an educational standpoint of, yes, sure, this was a red day, but you can see these support levels that I marked out held no problem. It did back test them twice, so you had 2 days of consolidation, and because these supports did hold, you could classify that as a healthy consolidation, and now you see the follow through today. So a good example of how red days aren't a bad thing as long as your key support levels do hold. So the first update I'm going to do is just get rid of this trend line. If you watch my other videos, you know that that was our overall support. And the new overall support I'm going to just change to is this purple line here. The price is so far above everything now that this will be the overall support. As long as this is uptrending, then the overall trend, the overall picture is going to remain bullish. So if this were to pull back or do something like that, that would be considered a bull flag just because, or bull pennant, for the reason of this 50-day average increasing, which is showing us that the overall context is bullish. The other update, I'm just going to get rid of this support level now too, and the new must-hold level in terms of making the chart remain healthy is this now. So I'm going to make that line the extra thick one. This is up here at 21 cents. And then the other support level, and some may argue that this should be the thick green line, and I wouldn't disagree with that, is going to be right here at the previous resistance. So this resistance, which was right around the 30-cent level, has now been broken. Basic technical analysis, when resistances are broken, they become supports. So this is a new area of support. Now if we do this, we can pick up another support. But like I said in the other video, these points don't necessarily mean too much because there wasn't a whole lot of action. But nonetheless, because they are part of the chart, you can use them. But this level here, which was kind of a resistance, but as you can see, just got blown away today. But if you want to stick to being a pure chartist, this level was a resistance, but with today's action was broken and now becomes another area of support. As far as resistances go, you can see the history of the chart basically stops there. So we are now in blue sky territory, and it's one of those things where it's great because, as you can see, it can really fly, but at the same time, you have to use your gut instincts and take profits, whenever you feel the need to, because there's not going to be any sort of resistance levels to kind of guide you in where some smart profit-taking areas are. So that is where the chart currently stands. This is it updated. Well, let me take that back. Technically, real small resistance up here because that is where the profit takers did decide to step in. But overall, you are in a blue sky territory. This high is at 52 cents. With any sort of continued solid volume, I don't see why this level wouldn't put up a fight. It's just where the profit takers decided to step in today. But with another nice surge, this level will crumble just as easily as all these other support or resistance levels have. So this is where the current chart stands. A lot of green, only one resistance. So the path of least resistance is definitely up right now, and we'll see what tomorrow and then next week brings. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com if you have not yet. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was SAEI. Thanks for listening.